Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S5 and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the watch face on your watch, wake up the screen by pressing the crown button and then press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you enjoy, and once you find the watch face you like, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also edit the watch faces. Some of the watch faces have the edit button under them, and this allows you to change few things. For example, this one allows you to change the style. Then you can swipe left and you can change the complications, so basically the data being displayed on your watch face. You can tap on one, select something like maybe calories and maybe steps. You can change it to whatever you like, but that's one of the examples. And once you're done editing your watch face, you can press the crown button and the changes will be applied. You can also change the watch face through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab that phone, open the Mi Fitence application on it. Let me just zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Bit too much, I guess, but that's good enough. And in the Mi Fitness application, you can tap on device, and here you should see your Xiaomi Watch S5, and under it you will see manage watch faces, and you can basically scroll through this list right here, tap on the watch face, and then tap on this one needs to be updated. So you know what, this is gonna be better. You don't need to scroll through this, just tap on all right here to open the watch face store, and here you can download additional watch faces if you want, but you can also tap on local, and this is the list of watch faces basically installed on your watch already, and you can tap on one and tap on apply if it doesn't need an update. This one does. Maybe this one also needs an update. Okay, so let's update some watch faces. Let's update it quickly. It's not quick, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done updating. Give me a minute. Okay, and the watch face is done updating, and now we can tap on apply, and the watch face will be applied. And like I said before, you can also download online watch faces, so you can find the watch face you like in the online store, and then tap on. And this one is not a new. Maybe this one. Oh no, it is new. So you can tap on apply. It will start installing and updating, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch automatically, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.